What's up, creatives? John Wan here, director, photographer, videographer, recording artist, back with another DIY music video setup. We always strive to do next level, and this one was exactly that. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like this video and that you're subscribed so you never miss a beat. I'm gonna be hitting you guys with plenty of DIY music video setups this summer so you can take all your visuals to the next level. And without further ado, the Sane Asylum. Well, my rendition anyway, and I'm really feeling this outcome. I mean, come on guys, look at this. I started by thumbtacking installation pieces that I purchased from Home Depot to the wall to imitate the pattern you see in a motion picture psych ward. Depending on how big the space is that you have to work with will determine how much you'll need. I got 3 packs for about 100 square feet. You can never go wrong with getting too much and then returning what you don't use. So creatives, make sure you keep those receipts. I also went and picked up some simple props to help complete the look, like the whole Hannibal Lecter getup, a lab coat for the doctor, and my favorites, the clipboard and medicine cup with placebo pills. The crew had a lot of fun shooting this one, as did I. We knocked this one out in 2 hours, and the final visual was a masterpiece. I'll leave a link in the description below so you guys could tell me. Every year through my production company, P.A.U Studios, I run a free music video giveaway contest. This year's winner, Deuce Upit, won this visual for 2 mixing. That's fire, right? So yes, this was a free music video, but either way, you still want to put the same effort for it. And you never want to look at things like buying props or whatever else to set the scene as a cutting your profit. If it's within reason, let's get a better visual out. Look at props as investments to better your visuals. And write-offs if you're legit. Y'all don't hear me though. Look, we're all creatives and we gotta do what we gotta do. I can dig it. But do this creative a favor and subscribe to the channel, like this video, drop some comments, show me that you're really digging these gems. Also in the comments, let me know what other subjects you want me to cover or any tips and suggestions that you have for other members of our community. If you want more content from me, the best way to connect with me is on Instagram @PlentySkills or connect with my production company @UsualPolitics and @P.A.U Studios LLC on all platforms. The sky's only the limit because that's what they told us. I'ma find out for myself, as should you. Remember, stay creative, people. Peace.
P.A.U Studios shooting everything. Movie status.